In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging sports website using a specialized template and add essential features like team pages, event schedules, and a contact form to keep your visitors informed and connected. Let's begin by choosing a sports template. This template is designed to highlight the dynamism and energy associated with sports. It's structured to accommodate team rosters, match fixtures, and much more, integrating seamlessly with various functionalities needed for a sports-focused website. Once you open the template library, browse through the sports category and select the one that resonates best with your vision. Each template comes with distinct visual appeal and layouts, so take a moment to explore these options. Once chosen, go ahead and apply it to your website. Now that we have the overall framework in place, it's time to add team pages. Team pages are crucial as they serve as a go-to space for fans and visitors to learn about different teams, their members, and their achievements. Navigate to the Pages section and find the option to Add New Page. Here, configure each team page by entering relevant details such as team name, member profiles, player statistics, and photos. This not only personalizes the viewing experience, but also enhances engagement by capturing the audience's interest. Don't forget to regularly update this section, reflecting any changes in team composition or new achievements. Next, let's include the all-important events and schedules. This section ensures fans stay updated on all upcoming matches, locations, and any significant sporting events your teams are participating in. Access the events module usually found in your sidebar or within the template framework. Here, you can list events in chronological order along with relevant details like date, time, venue, and participating teams. You might want to include links for ticket purchases or RSVP options if possible. To maximize accessibility, consider having a calendar view that allows visitors to see the events at a glance and further details when they click on any event. Being consistent with event updates fosters trust and encourages repeat visits. Finally, we'll set up a contact form, which is pivotal in facilitating communication between the website visitors and your organization. Most website builders have built-in form options where you can drag and drop desired fields into your form layout. Include necessary fields such as name, email, message, and any specific requests relevant to your organization. Keep the layout simple to avoid overwhelming visitors and ensure the form is easy to follow. Regularly checking submissions will help you maintain strong engagement and respond promptly